Problem number 5. Integrate 8x plus 13 by square root of 4x plus 7 with respect to x. So, the numerator can be taken as 8x plus 13 and the denominator is square root of 4x plus 7 dx. Okay, in that situation, so 8x is fixed, but the 13 can be rewritten as 14 minus 1. So for our calculation, 14 minus 1 equal to 13. So this 13 can be rewritten as integral over 8x plus 14 minus 1 divided by square root of 4x plus 7 into dx. Next step. In the first two terms, 2 is taken as a common. So 2 into 4x plus 7 minus 1 into square root of 4x plus 7 into dx. Next step, this can be split into two integrations. First one is 2 into 4x plus 7 by square root of 4x plus 7 into dx is one integration, minus 1 into 1 divided by square root of 4x plus 7 into dx, split into two integrations. The first integral is denominator is a square root of 4x plus 7, numerator is 4x plus 7, so one power is cancelled, so result is 2 times of root of 4x plus 7 into dx minus 1 by root of 4x plus 7 can be rewritten as 4x plus 7 power half into dx. Next step. 2 is a constant taken as outside, so integral over root of 4x plus 7 into dx. Again, the denominator 1 by 4x plus 7 power half. This can be taken into numerator 4x plus 7 power minus half into dx. Next step, 2 times of integral 4x plus 7 power half. Root means half. So 4x plus 7 power half into dx minus 4x plus 7 power minus half into dx. These two integral can be integrated with respect to x. So next step, 2 into, so this is the formula is ax plus b power n formula. So 4x plus 7 power half plus 1 by half plus 1, a value is 4, so 4 into half plus 1. The formula ax plus b whole power n equal to ax plus b whole power n plus 1 by a into n plus 1. So in the place of a is 4, so 4 into half plus 1 minus, same formula can be applying in this second term, 4x plus 7 power minus half plus 1 by 4 into minus half plus 1. Next step, 2 into 4x plus 7, half plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 4 into half plus 1 is 3 by 2 minus 4x plus 7 power minus half plus 1 is 1 by 2 by 4 into minus half plus 1 is 1 by 2 plus c. So the further calculation, 2 times of 4x plus 7 whole power 3 by 2 by 12 by 2 minus 4x plus 7 whole power of by 4 by 2 plus c. So 2 12 cancel 6 times, so 2 6 cancel, so 3. So 4x plus 7 power 3 by 2 by 3 minus 4x plus 7 power 1 by 2 by 2 plus c, ends the problem. Again, let us move to problem number 6. This can be integrated with respect to x. So in the denominator, both results are square root. So root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1. In this type, we have to take the conjugate of the denominator. This can be multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. So first you take the denominator conjugate. So denominator is root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1. So the conjugate is root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1. This can be multiplied by numerator as well as the denominator. So denominator conjugate is root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1. So multiply 1 into root of x plus 1 into root of x minus 1 is root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by the denominator is a plus b into a minus b formula. A plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. So a can be taken as root of x plus 1. So x plus 1 whole square minus b is root of x minus 1. So b square means root of x minus 1 whole square. So a square minus b square. Next step, numerator root x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 whole square is root is cancelled. So x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 whole square, root is cancelled. So x minus 1. So next step, square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus into x is minus x, minus into minus plus 1 into dx. Next step, root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by plus x minus x cancel. So value is 2. So in the further calculation, so 1 by 2 into square root of x plus 1 into square root of x minus 1 into dx. Next step, half into square root of x plus 1 is x plus 1 power half minus x minus 1 power half into dx. This can be integrated with respect to x. So 1 by 2 into x plus 1 power half plus 1 by half plus 1. Formula, x power n formula. So x plus 1 power half plus 1 by half plus 1 minus x minus 1 power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus c. Next step, half into x plus 1 power half plus 1 is 3 by 2. Denominator is half plus 1 is 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 power half plus 1 is 3 by 2 by half plus 1 is 3 by 2 plus c. So next step, 1 by 2 into, so denominator is a fraction, 3 by 2 is a fraction. So reciprocal is 2 by 3 into, again the second term is also 3 by 2. So these two terms are denominators are common. So we should take 2 by 3 is common. X minus 1, x plus 1 power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 power 3 by 2 plus c. The last step is 2 to cancel. So 1 by 3 into x plus 1 power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 power 3 by 2 plus c, hence the problem.